To keep Super Steady feature on in video mode on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to keep the setting for the Super Steady on the camera app. To do so, open camera app and then tap the setting icon at the top left. Scroll down the screen. Under General section, tap Setting to keep, and then tap the gray on offset next to Super Steady until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To see how it works, tap the back key twice. Change the camera mode to the video mode. Tap the Super Steady icon until it turns yellow to turn it on. Record a video. Close the camera and then reopen the camera. Change the camera mode to the video mode. As you can see, if previously you enable Super Steady feature, this feature will stay on in video mode even after you close the camera. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.